Dark lips can be annoying and uneven dark lips can be super duper annoying. I know how it's just annoying when your upper lip is super dark and your lower lip is super pink and you're just like, what should I just do? So it's time to just treat your lips and give them some love. So let's get started. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Yasvi and today, as you have read my title, it's all about making your lips all pink and luscious. But of course, एक दिन में नहीं होने वाला है. So basically your lips can go darker due to hell lot of reasons, but these are the three most common reasons. 1, if you smoke. 2, if you drink less water. And 3, by applying back to back a lot of lipstick. Well, I know quitting lipsticks can be super duper hard, and I guess so can smoking be. But yeah, you can do it for a while, for at least for the sake of your lips. And if you don't, then you keep on switching back to मेरे lips बहुत काले हैं, इसके लिए I'm putting lipstick, and I'm putting lipstick, इसके लिए मेरे lips बहुत काले हैं. So you gotta quit that chain. So let's get started with our DIY lip scrub. Before that, if you want me to post such videos, do click the like button and subscribe to my channel.
So now I'm going to take some sugar which will act as an exfoliant to scrub off all the dead skin and all the darkness from your lips. Now we will add some honey to keep your lips all hydrated and fresh. Now we might as well add some lemon and make a nimbu pani out of it. I'm just kidding. I'll just be adding some lemon to act as an antioxidant for the darkness. Now put this mixture into a chota sa container to use it throughout your week.
Now that we have put our scrub in this chotu sa bottle, I'm just going to take a mascara wand. You can either take an old toothbrush or a mascara wand or anything that has this chota pokey things which will help you scrub your lips. But before that, I'm going to ask you guys to do just 3 things by the end of the video so that you get pretty pink lips by the end of at least 2 weeks. So stay tuned. Now just take a little on this. It's a little messy but it's fine, and scrub it. So you got to scrub your lips for 5 minutes and then you can wash it off. Our next step is going to be to just apply a little Vaseline. I want you guys to do just 3 things. Drink water, apply your lip scrub and apply Vaseline. So I want you to apply Vaseline every night and use the lip scrub at least thrice a week. So I post such DIYs a lot on my Instagram channel, so you can follow me over there. The link is in the description, and if you want me to make such videos, then do comment down below. Thank you for watching. Bye.